So my buddy Anwar watched a Gold Rush episode, finding $1 million in gold. So he wanted to come out gold prospecting. We brought out the sluice. Here we go.
All right, 20.
Seeing right here, them pulling out $1 million in gold. This was his idea of what prospecting would be like. Let's see how much gold he can get running the sluice. Let me know at the end how much he found.
Oh, damn. Keep strong. Damn. That was a good clean out.
That's a nut. You even got a couple of nuts.
It's hard to stand over there.
Yeah,
those are some nice chuckly pieces right there. Oh, that was a good run right there.
Yeah.